Ya, jernih, bersih, kolamnya juga bersih ya kan? Ya, airnya juga bersih, jernih, dingin, pokoknya best deh. Best gede. Nama kolamnya best gede.
Oke,
jangan lupa kemari ya.
Assalamualaikum pemirsa, kita di hari ini jumpa lagi di saya Yusbah. Saya berada di suatu wisata. Ini saya yang kelola wisatanya, namanya siapa Pak? Karjan. Ini kita tanyain sama beliau posisinya di mana, lokasinya di tempat wisata ini. Saya lihat hari ini hari Minggu ya Pak. Hari Minggu wisatanya sangat ramai sekali. Berhubung kita jumpa langsung sama yang punyanya. Pak, ini mulai kapan ini Pak? Maksudnya yang mulai dibukanya gitu wisatanya ini kapan Pak?
Secara resmi belum. Ini baru kita mulai dari tanggal 27 bulan Desember.
Ya. Lalu maksudnya Bapak di sini posisinya pengelola atau yang punya ini Pak?
Ini yang punya Bumdes desa Kaye Aceh.
Ya. Jadi mulai kedatangan orang ke sini berapa bulan Pak?
Sudah sebulan yang lalu tanggal 27 bulan Desember
ya. Berarti tiap hari apakah yang ramai pengunjungnya di tiap hari apa hari-hari libur aja Pak?
Biasanya hari libur seperti tahun baru, hari Minggu.
Posisi lokasi ini di mana Pak?
Di desa Kaye Aceh, kecamatan Lembah Sabil, Kabupaten Abdya.
Itulah teman-teman, setelah kita wawancara sama Bapak ini lokasinya sangat bagus sekali.
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you?
Ini aslinya di mana Pak?
Dari tangan-tangan.
Tantangan ya. Gimana terkesannya di tempat wisata ini?
Sangat enak, nyaman sekali dan tempatnya bersih.
Dengan Mas siapa?
Tambah lagi sih.
Oke.
Jauh. Guys, jangan lupa lagi di sini ya.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change you